Hi friends, the big day of the shed reveal has come. So I'm gonna show you first the outside, and this is how it looks like. I wanted to share with you that it was decorated and created with most things from the Dollar Tree, and the shed was an existing one that we had and we barely used. So we decided to transform it. We had help transforming it inside, the walls and the ceiling, but then the rest I took care of it. So I wanted to give it a rustic look because that's how the rest of the backyard looks. I wanted to go for like a Patagonia look since I'm from Argentina. So the wood is one of the main materials that I used. So this is the entrance here and the front, and the first thing that I did when it was finished inside was to use these tiles that I had from another project to create a stepping stone to my house. So I like to have this wood placed here. It gives some privacy. And then the entrance, I painted the shutters in the same color as the ones that I have in the front of my house. I added some little pots. Those pots, I bought them at Walmart, and the fake plants at the dollar store. And then I added some little animals that the eyes turn on at night. So they are super cute. And this wreath here, I also got it at the dollar store in the $5 section. And this is also from Dollar Tree. You're gonna be hearing a lot of Dollar Tree. When I say dollar store, it's a Dollar Tree. That sign too. And then I created, my neighbor gave me box full of seashells. So I decided to create some, we call it in Spanish, angels calling, but they are wind chimes. Look at this beautiful piece of wood. It was from one of my pines that we removed from our backyard. So, and then I created another one that it goes in the front of the house. So these are very nice. I added some pearls that I had also from Dollar Tree, and at zero cost. So you can see here on the side that I have my rustic picnic area. Not super fancy, but I used the leftover wood from the inside to create a table and a bench for one here. So if I want to journal outside or have tea with a friend, I can use this area. And on the side window, I added two pots. And they are from the dollar store, as well as the plants, the plastic plants, succulents, and the ones on top are from Dollar General, but they were also $1. So this is how it looks. from this side. On the right side of the entrance, I added some wood that I had to also provide like a rustic look. And now we're gonna go inside for the tour itself. So the last time in the last video, it was empty, and now it's all furnished. So let me explain this to you. All the things in here are either secondhand or they are from the Dollar Tree, or things that I had in the house already. So this is the reveal and how it looks. Still I have to do some things, but let me show you piece by piece. So the deco from here, the pictures are from the Dollar Tree, and when I knew what color of paint I was going to use, I started gathering materials. So those pictures went very well with the color of the room, and I also bought this hanger at the Dollar Tree. So I really love it. So for the winter, when it's cold and we come with coats in here, we hang them in there. So this is a shelf. The brown shelves are from my husband's office because he redecorated his office. So I took advantage of them because they match with the floor. So on top of here, we have all my journals. I have more, but they are inside the house. These two are the ones that are finished. And then the little cubbies there, I bought the little plastic containers at the Dollar Tree, and I have my die cutting machines, my collection of napkins, of envelopes, die cuts, and all of that. And in here I have my ribbons and my sewing machine and all of that. So this desk, I bought it secondhand, but it was new in the box. So I didn't went over of the $200 limit that I had to decorate this space. So I already had that lamp. I created this with 4 of the Dollar Tree mats. I just put them together with some tape, and I have here some plastic containers, also from the Dollar Tree. That's me when I was a little child. And I already had this chair. I bought this rag at Aldi's, and this particular small one at the Dollar General that matched. And on this side we have a TV, and that's mainly for my daughter because she's gonna use this room for her studies at the college and for friends. And these pictures used to be in my husband's office. They were completely different, so I made them a little bit rustic, and I added a botanical flower from a botanical book that I have from 1928. So I made them to match the decoration. So I have another shelf here. Again, all of these, even the wooden boxes or baskets, we already had them. The little flower pots, I bought them maybe like 10 years ago at the dollar store, and I saved them. I used to have them in my office at work. And a little succulent there. And the tables, we had those tables, the side ones, and we were gonna throw them away. And I went ahead and I distressed them a little. So we have side tables for when friends come over. And then I found this couch, which turns into a bed. And the couch is secondhand too. The only new stuff are the pillows. And then this little ottoman here, they were from my home. We changed them, so we went ahead and brought them here, so we have a place where to eat if we want to, or put our drinks. And then on the side of the air conditioner, I had to take the plastic off the cord there, but I used those 4 stands. They were from my daughter's room, and then she grew up, so I had them there for further use. And all that you see inside there is from the Dollar Tree. They are little iridescent bottles, and even that sign there. And then on this side, we have some art wall that is also from Dollar Tree that matches the wall or the paint. And then in here, this little vase is also from Dollar Tree, and the birds, the wooden birds, I brought them from Argentina. And then the curtains, I used to have them in my kitchen, and then I changed them and they were kind of new, so I decided to save them for another use, and here we are. So this is how it looks. I have already been working in here my regular job. I have not crafted yet, so I think I'm gonna record a video one of these days. So I hope you like it. Just leave me comments if it serves of inspiration. And look, from this window you can see the table and the tea is ready. So we will see each other crafting in here or recording videos. And if this served you or inspired you, let me know. Bye.